What we have here is a DYMO Labelmanager 160 portable label maker, handheld. I've got a full function keyboard, display, uses 6 AAA batteries or an optional sold separately power adapter. I got a universal one. Batteries go in here. This is the compartment cover. Just snaps into place. Your cassettes go in here. So I'll get the cassette out and we'll load it up. Alright, this is what the cassette looks like. It's 1/2 inch, which refers to the width. Obviously the opening goes there, so it just snaps in like this. Close the cover. I'll go ahead and plug it in, and then we'll experiment with it. Okay, now because I'm using a universal adapter, this one outputs the polarity backwards than what this accepts. This isn't necessarily reversible, but I have a reverse polarity adapter cable, because this one, see right here, the plus needs to be on the other side and the minus needs to be on the other side. So go ahead and reverse it. Okay, with the polarity correct, should turn on. Yep. English. Okay. 1/2 inch. Now we'll start typing. I'll just type this for now. It's supposedly printed. I don't know where it came out. It hasn't come out yet. They're supposed to thread it. Alright, so off camera, finally got the print. I had to pull it out a little bit. I guess it got jammed. So, I printed that one. Let's try this again. Came out. Now this is to cut it. Cut. Like that. So now it's printing correctly. So yeah, you can see here it got jammed up a little bit. I guess brand new, you got to pull it to that line like there's out, or it started the print. I think it started the print and then it jammed up. But there's no sticky thing in there, and it doesn't mention anything about you have to thread it. So I don't know what happened there. But whatever. It's working now. Easy to use, easy to read. Different colors. You can get different color tapes. I got some generic D1 sizes. With all 1/2 inch width, which is fine for me. You can choose a different, like how tall you want it. You can make this smaller. You could do multiple lines, I guess, if you wanted. So let me, I guess, experiment. Alright, kind of hard to see. PT, I guess, stands for print size. I put it on 8. These arrows represent, like, everything on this side of the arrow is like the top line. Everything is this side. So I just put Miku mixtape side 1. I didn't have to do anything. It automatically centered it, so that's cool. See, it's perfectly level. Didn't have to hit spacebar or anything. It automatically put it in the middle. So now I'm gonna enter the space too. So nice. It's lightweight. It'll be heavy if you get batteries in it, but so I got an AC adapter. I'm not gonna pay for one that's just for this, when this universal one works fine. And if you get the polarity reversing cable, then it works. So cool. These just to label some wires, because I put the cassette deck up there, and I'm gonna run 2 cables down here so I can record off the computer if I needed to. And this is just so I know which wire is what. And this is just so I can label my reels that I made. So that was it. errors and all in running this thing. DYMO Labelmanager 160. Alright, so doing some experimentation here. I figured out how to make it so I can wrap it around the cable. I'm going to print twice without cutting it. Now I do it again. Then cut. See, it says playback, playback. And when I fold it on the wire, which I did down here on record, record, record. Like that. So that way now I know what the wires are. It's a little bit of experimentation and I figured it out.